and you just continue. You want to like give a second or two for everybody to answer the question. And if you know you're going to answer it, still give yourselves that 1-2 seconds, because otherwise it seems like you didn't plan it properly and you're in a rush. Another tip for you is if you want to look at the whole audience in the room, okay, without actually looking at everyone, there are two ways. One is a Z, so just watch me. So I pretty much saw all of you, right? And the other one is an N, depending on the size of the room. So these are two ways you can look at the whole room without actually having to look at them. And I forgot, one of the speakers came out of his comfort zone, which I really like. He came up and he looked at me and he asked me the question. I really was impressed by that, because what happens is sometimes to connect with the audience, you need to look into their eye. Just for 2 seconds, not more than that. If you look more than that, you're like, why is he staring at me? They start getting nervous, like, why is he staring at me? I noticed one of the speakers, while he was presenting, was only staring at me. His eyes were just at me. He kept looking at me, and I was like, you know, I'm not the only person in this room. There are many more people in this room. So these are just a few tricks and tips. Is there any questions from any of the presenters? Because I'd rather address something you had.